Here it is, after 5 minutes of cooking and 1 minute of rest. Don't forget the 1 minute of rest, guys. Hot and spicy Firewok molten chili chicken with 6 chilies on the front. That's how you know they're serious. See how good it is, and more importantly, see how spicy it is. Stir fry Asian noodles and sauce. Fire sauce. Packet included. Alright. Adding the butt burner sauce now, guys. I probably could have cut a little bit of a bigger hole. I'm just going to go ahead and add the whole packet without even trying it. And we'll see how it goes. Ooh, the camera's steaming up here. That's how hot it is. Alright. Just going to stir it up here a little bit. There's a really disgusting smell coming out of it. Oop. I better take off my... Don't need to get in trouble for any of that bullshit. Alright. Let's see how hot this really is. How hot could it be? Oh. Wowsers. Wowsers. That is pretty hot. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I think that disgusting smell is coming from the cabbage. I usually don't put the dried vegetables in there, but thought I'd give it this first time I've tried this, so thought I'd give it a try. There you go. Okay. Fucking dying over here. Hey, I'm freaking dying over here. Anyway, but it literally, I just noticed this. It literally says that it gets... Turn the stupid light off. It says it gets spicier with every bite. And they are not freaking joking. I'm freaking dying, guys! Actually went and grabbed one of my kids. I can't even talk. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is like a Thai place, like spicy, like somewhere between 4 and a 5, just for reference. And it might be approaching a 5 here at the end, if that's true. But anyway, I went and grabbed one of my kids' pudding for when I'm done with this, so I can cool down my mouth a little bit, because holy shit! Should have seen me a second ago. No snot running all down my face and shit. It was embarrassing, guys. I only have a little bit left. But most of it has that disgusting cabbage in it. Luckily, I can't taste it because my tongue is burned to a crisp. I'm gonna keep soldiering on here. It's terrible. It's really bad. Alright. Last bite. Well, I have a little more, but it's mostly filled in with that disgusting cabbage and other gross vegetables that don't taste very good. So this is going to be my last bite. Here we go. Okay. This is probably one of the spiciest things I've ever ate in my life, and definitely one of the spiciest, or definitely the spiciest microwave thing that I've ever had. That is obscene. Very, very spicy. If you've had this or you want to try it, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Time for some pudding. Have a good day, guys.